Now, Garfield Gordon and Dandy Williams were the overall winners of the 28th staging of the Sagicor Sigma Run Walk that raised over $150 million in support of rebuilding efforts of 5 schools in Western Jamaica, which were severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Here's Daniel McLeod with that story.
Garfield Gordon clocked 16 minutes 45 seconds to win the men's 5K run. He finished ahead of Kemar Leslie, who was second in 17 minutes 28 seconds, and Royal Gordon, who clocked 17 minutes 44 seconds for third.
At the start, I will feel a bit lazy, but while my body gets warm, I started to pick up the pace, and I move away, left Kemar at 3K mark. That's where I know I will be victorious.
In the women's equivalent, Dandy Williams crossed the line first in 22 minutes and 22 seconds. Georgian Saunders was second in 22 minutes 26 seconds, while Michaela Beckford was third in 22 minutes 31 seconds.
I tried not to start as fast as I usually did, but when I looked at my watch I was going 3:25, so I slowed it down a bit so that I can keep the momentum. We're supporting the West. I know they were devastated by the hurricane, and we were fortunate in Kingston not to have it so bad, and so I encourage everyone to sign up because it's going to a worthy cause.
Meanwhile, Mark Lewis and Kenny Plummer took the male and female 5K walk races respectively, while the wheelchair section went to Marcus Banton and Vinette Green. Minister of Sport Olivia Babsy Grange was among those on hand to support the 2026 staging of the event, which was geared towards raising funds to rebuild 5 Western schools devastated by Hurricane Melissa.
I'm very excited. I'm so happy about the turnout. This is really massive, and we're running for the children of Western Jamaica. You know, we are resilient people, and Melissa, in spite of how we were hit badly, we're bouncing back.
In the meantime, this year's target was exceeded as over $152 million was raised to help Salt Marsh Primary, Mayfield Primary and Infant, Hopewell High, Greenpond High, and Little London High in their rebuilding efforts following damages caused by Hurricane Melissa. This year's run also saw a record number 30,939 participants. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.